What's up, guys? So today we're gonna do a coilover install. I'm switching from single adjustable conies in the rear to these sweet double adjustable JRI ones. It'll give me a little bit more control over the rear end. I'll show you what goes into them so you can have a good idea of what comes with the kit when you buy it. So I'll be taking this shock out. It's 2 3/4 nuts. We'll adjust what I got and get a good ride height and hopefully get it back to the old settings. Alright, here's a side-by-side comparison of the two shocks. This one only has 3 adjustable clicks on it, and to adjust it you have to take the whole spring out and clock the mounting point and hold the button. In this one you just have 2 adjustable points. This is regular compression, this is rebound. So this has 25 clicks, and I think it's 10 or 15 for the rebound, so it'll give me a little bit more control and help dial in the rear end for this solid axle. So should work out. So we'll place this one on the car next, and I'll show you everything that goes into putting these together. Alright, well, that one's super simple. So here is everything. So what's left is mounting the canister. So I think I'm gonna mount it under the car back here so it's not in the way and it won't rub on anything. So I'll probably zip tie this wire, or the tube out of the way for it so it doesn't get hit by the sway bar that's installed or the giant 315 tires. Size comparison. So these are super simple. This is basically a raised bearing that looks like it runs on top of the spring. There weren't really any directions that I could find on the JRI website, so I'm putting them underneath the adjustable ride height collar or preload, whatever you guys want to call it. So I'm assuming it goes like this, sandwiches, and then they slide in here. Then your spring, and I'm gonna run these isolators just because I don't like the metal on metal like I have with these. And then this is everything that holds the spring on the shock. All it takes is this tiny little ring to sit on this groove here, and then this will sit on top and it will come off. shock. So this one's for the passenger side. You saw me put the driver's side in already, so you don't need to see all of that. After this, we'll find the ride height adjustment and then drill a couple holes in the frame to mount the canisters, and we should be good to go. Sadly, I can't test the car today since I'm waiting on a vacuum line to show up for the brake booster. Might fire it up though, since. So here's new shock. I'll install that in a second. And this simply just slides over. It's really cool. It has a just one set screw that'll hold it in. I got these from Detroit Speed Engineering, and they'll fit right over as soon as I get the screw out. There we go. So yeah, goes on like that, locks, and then they shouldn't spin. Well, we're going to use this riv nut gun to rivet these in. I have these laying around. Some of them are the wrong color, so I'm going to use those underneath the car and order new ones. So, oh, that hurt. So I want to take the canister and mount it about here, so it's out of the way. And then I will be getting this up and out of the way also. Not sure how yet, but I'm working on that. So I'll pop a hole probably in here somewhere and then get it screwed off and rivet it in. Okey-doke. First try Friday. Let's go. Nope. I think I wanted it about there. We'll stop at 4 and see if it fits. Okay. A little too small. On these you want them super tight because the clearances are, if you don't get the proper clamping on it, then it'll just spin in the hole and you gotta drill it out. Perfect. All right. That was just under a 5/16. So you'll take it on, screw the chingus, and then when you squeeze it, it should come out. So you want to open it up and then put it in your hole all the way, and then you'll start your rivet. That should hold it. Seems good enough to me. Not bad. Just get these out of the way. Zip tie it or something so it's not touching or rubbing on anything. And I can push the shock canister in and out of the hole to get a good idea of where it should sit. Okay, well, the coilover install is done. I mounted the shock canister up there, coilovers are plumbed, everything's torqued. I fixed my ride height to get it about where I want it. So I haven't started the car up in a week or two, so I'm gonna do that for you guys so you can hear how loud it is. Hopefully the neighbor doesn't get too upset. Hopefully you guys like the video. Like and subscribe. I'll be posting more. I got a leak I got to take care of on the valve covers, so stay tuned.